thank you so much. And first of all, I would like to say sorry to all of you. My phone got hanged. So I was ready on time because I never be late for any function, any meeting, any this thing. Sorry once again for the interruption. Yes. So sorry for the delay also. I'll speak now. The time is very little. So I'll speak the important points. So, my life morning. Vanakkam, namaskaram, namaskar, sasrikal, adab, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to High Plus Meet. I am Triple IDTC and STC Parveen Shah welcoming all of you. For today's my first STC session, I never ever thought that will go in this way. But okay, we all should have patience. We are learning now. We should have patience. Patience pays more. Yes, always. So first of all, I would like to thank Almighty for everything, and also I would like to thank our Successberry Global founder, Riga founder, Mr. Manoj Kumar sir, and Lata ma'am, the entire family. Yes, and also my great thanks to Shamsuddin sir, our great upline. Yes, and also my thanks to Queen of Ayurveda. Use the product, recommend the product, and sell the product. I know you all. Who is it? Arifa Vaidyan. Yes, Arifa ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. And thanks from the bottom of my heart to all my downlines, all my team members, and the entire SBG family members. So I'm really feeling very happy. And my special thanks to my upline, my great upline, Ibrahim sir. Yes. My journey, actually today's topic is I wanted to say about my journey, how I started this business as a new distributor to STC leader. So we have very short time, so I will try to say few things. So how I met, first how I came to know regarding this business. One fine day, Ibrahim sir came along with his brother-in-law because I was doing another company. I wanted some products through that company. Even Ibrahim sir's brother-in-law, he used to work in that company. So Ibrahim sir got the chance of coming along with his brother-in-law. He came. First time we said hi, hello, assalamu alaikum, like that. Then after that, he did not speak much. He was just noticing me. That time he noticed, and he felt one spark in me. The way I speak, the way he saw my this thing, doing the work and with full dedication and determination. So he, the second time when he came, first time he did not say anything. Second time when he came, he said, "Ma'am, I'm doing such an like this ML Lifestyle Successberry Global system. So please, you can join because since you are doing hard work, so better." I want you to join in our company. This is very nice. You will get health, wealth, everything. Then I said, sir, namaste, aap ja sakte hain, like that. Because I did not show any interest to come into this Successberry Global, my lifestyle company. So already I was doing that, but in that which I was working in that company, no apply, no proper product knowledge, no meetings, nothing. I was just simply sitting at home and started working, and no field work also. So no knowledge, nothing. Just take product. 2-3 products are good, so I used to use that. Like that, it was going. Then sir told, "Why don't you join?" Then I said, "Okay, let me think." But I took 6 months to think whether to join in this business or not. So finally, one fine day, what I did, I just gave him a call. Sir, please come home. Then he came. Then I said, okay, I wanted to join in this your business, which you told. Because I was comparing in this business, they are educating people, and everyday meetings are there, and product knowledge is there, and so many things are there, and even uplines are very good. Even the font is very good. Then what else? So I was that thing somewhere hitting in my mind. So finally what I did, so I called him, he came. Then I told him like this, I would like to join in your company, what I should do. Then I can see only teeth on his face. He was so happy. So he targeted me. That it took 6 months, but finally he caught me. Yes, that was the thing. So like that, I started this business. So then after that, what happened? Then he said, for joining, you don't require anything. You don't have to pay anything. I said, okay. Then how about the products? Then he said, okay, we'll make one ID. Then triple ID also you can take. Suppose if you pay 5,000 for one ID, your ID will be activated. Then you can work on three IDs also. Three IDs, that is 15,000. But without knowing the company, without knowing products, I was new to this business. So I said, no, sir, I'm happy with one ID. I will start my business with one ID. If I if I'm satisfied 100%, then I can go further. So like then he said, okay. Then what you require? He said, Aadhaar card, PAN card, bank first copy, and nominee details. All that I gave. I asked him, do you need a Xerox? He said, no, ma'am, this is a digital company, so direct selling marketing. So in this, we don't require any Xerox. I can make ID here itself. Then he made one ID. Then I gave him 5,000 rupees. Then a product where to get. He said from Calicut. From Calicut. Calicut is very far from our place. Then I said, every now and then I cannot go and get my products. It is very far. And we do not have courier service also here. Then he said, okay, don't worry, because I live there only. So I can get for you. You just place the order. That time he did not mention G35, G75, because see, when a new customer comes, we don't know, because we are like newborn babies. So we don't know anything, only upline only you should see. So like that it was. Then I said, okay, fine. Then he gave me the list, one book he gave, Elements Wellness book. From that he said, you select a few products, I can hand over. Then like that I got my products. Then I used the products. That time I don't know Arifa ma'am, but I used the products. I felt I was satisfied. Then after that I said, "Theek hai, chalo, let me start this business. The products are good and Aish Premium certified products and no problem and all." First I started Kavach Fresh, yes, and some my home products I took. Then after that I told sir, okay, how to grow in this business? That is very, very important. Okay, join the business, got the products and used also. Then after that, what next? How to grow in this? Because I want a bigger. Then he said, what is your purpose? Because when you're doing something, you should know what is your purpose. So that's why they keep asking all leaders, for what purpose you joined in this business. That is very, very important, and we should have more interest than applying. So I said, okay, I joined in this business just to help people, because I was having this from the childhood. I want to help people. To help people, I should have money. I don't like to stretch my hand in front of everyone. So I don't want to ask anyone. So if I earn, if I help in that way, I'll be more happy. So that thing was going in my mind. Then he said, okay, then you do one thing. You are having a phone now? I said, yes. So give me the name list very close. I mean, if you say, they should say yes. Like that. First, you write down all those numbers and at least 25 or 50, whatever. I said, okay, then I gave him 25 members list. Then he said a dream list. You will be having any dream, just give me that also 100 dreams. I felt, 100 dreams. Okay, no problem. Writing down dreams, no problem. Na? We are not going to lose anything. So I wrote 100 dreams. Then I gave him that list also. Then he said, okay, then what next? To grow in this business, to earn passive income, what we have to do? Then he said, okay, first you follow the system and listen to apply and attend all meetings, functions, everything. Then I said, okay, even for that also I said yes, because I want to earn more money. I want to help others. That is my motto. My intention is that. So then I said, okay, where will be the meeting? I joined in this business just before Corona. We used to have meetings in Sunsea Resort. Then he told me like this, Sunsea Resort is there. You please come, so and so. He gave me the timing also. Then I went. First day I went. Then second time also I went, because monthly twice they used to hold meetings. Then after that we started working. Then first I became a barista. When I became barista, they gave me flowers. Okay, in that recognition was held there in Sunsea Resort. I felt so happy, because in the public, I mean, meeting means other people are there, different people, different personalities, and in front of them, they were recognizing me with the flowers. I felt really very happy. I went to USA, but that time I felt happy because I have been to USA. But more than that, I felt when I received the flowers. Okay, then after that, he told me to check my phone app. Check your income. You have, I mean, received some amount. Then I checked. I saw 3,400. Actually, I told sir to check. He checked. He said 3,400 you got, ma'am. I said, wow, 3,400. I felt so happy, because that time I felt, yes, I can do wonders. I can earn more income in this. For that, what I have to do? Hard work. Because success will never come in a shortcut way. So that's why our dedication, our determination, our focus to achieve our goal, this is very, very important. So wherever you are, in whichever place you are, priority should be given to this business first. Many people I have seen, people are not giving priority. Whenever they find time, they are doing the business. That won't work out. If you want to succeed in this business, if you want to achieve passive income, even your income digits should increase, then you have to do hard work. So then I made up my mind. Yes, I have to do something. So I should not leave the system. Okay, in between what happened, we were doing very well. That time only Corona came. So during Corona, we all know lockdown and cannot move from one place to another, and no gatherings, nothing, no meetings, all everything stopped. And during those days, at least now in our place, network is working very nicely now. Otherwise, sometimes those days, to join one person, we used to take 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Sometimes it hangs. Now what happened with my phone? It's like that only. Sometimes you cannot depend on the network, because we are living in island. We are not in mainland. So in mainland, you know, if you touch, it will go. But here it's not like that. We have to face so many problems. But despite of that, we did not leave the system. We were, I did not leave upline. Upline is very, very important, because upline will teach you everything. Like age is no bar in this business. From above 18 till 100, you can join in this business. No problem only. So that thing was also, very, very good. And in this, no retirement, and with full excitement, you can do this business. Always you should be excited. Yes, problems will come, but if you focus on problems, you will have more problems. So forget about the problems, focus on your goals, what you want to achieve, what you want to become, how much money you have to earn. That you have to set a goal without plans, because we are going from one place to another place. That is what we are doing. Before doing anything, we plan. Yes, plan is very, very important, and to follow the plan, that is more important. Yes, for success, you have to do hard work. Hard work. Without hard work, we will not receive anything. We will not get any appreciation. Even at home also, we get the ration, but we have to cook now. Unless until you cook. For cooking, you have to prepare in the beginning itself. So like that, everything is like that only. So in this business, we may be good, we may be anything outside, but in this business, we have to follow the rules and regulations. Then sir taught us NDO. NDO path. Path means patience, attitude, teachability, and honesty. Honesty is very, very important, even at home, even outside, anywhere. With honesty, only people will attract to you and people will come forward to join with you and to stand with you. If you are not an honest person, no one will come. So, like that, this also, and patience, we should have lots of patience and attitude, good attitude. Yes, good attitude is necessary, not only in this business, even at home, whenever you interact with the people, any person. So you have to interact in a such a way so that that person should turn up next time. You should feel, yes, even in your absence also you should think of you. Like that, you should keep your attitude. So attitude is also important. And teachability is, yes, if you learn only you can earn. Without learning you can't earn anything, because we all want passive income. But if you sit at home, if you will not attend the meetings, if you will not go to GTS functions, BOPs, NDOs, any Achievers Day or any function, any home meeting, if you will not attend, what you will learn? So learning is the main thing in this. So learning, we did not learn from our mother's tummy. After coming out only we started. That time we were infant. Then we started going to school. Then college. Then like that we learned. So in the same way, once if you come into this business, you must learn. Learn till you die. That's what I can say. Because till your mind is working, you have to learn. Learn everything, because that will give you your status, your quality and passion and everything. I mean, learning is, that's why we keep saying attend all meetings, attend all BOPs, attend all NDOs, even all senior leaders, they are also learning. Even Manoj sir, he is learning so much and he is giving us very good knowledge, and we are getting knowledge from Harvest Academy also. And this My Lifestyle is connected to all these things. So like that, all these things I did not come to know when I was new to this business. Then slowly, but I did not leave the system. Whenever, whatever this thing I want to do, without knowing from the day one, when I joined in this business till today, without knowing appliance knowledge, I did not utter a single word in this. Even if I want to leave any message in the group, I will ask him, I will discuss with him, then only I leave the message. So like that, because you have to give importance and respect to upline. All your uplines, yes, you have to give respect, because they are the one, they are like our parents in this business. They will not show you wrong path anytime. They want to take you to the right path. Yes, because our parents always, they want their children to be in the right path. So in the same way, we all should go in the right path. We all should earn so much income. We all should live a financial free, independent life. So that is what Successberry Global's thought, their vision and mission. They want to take a common man, like uneducated person also. They want to take that person and they want to make him like a millionaire or billionaire. Yes, it is possible. For that, you don't have to do IBM or MBA or anything, whatever, any degree. You don't require any degree and no age limit. So just only thing is you have to focus, you have to learn, because learning is very, very important. Upline is there. He will show you the right path. He will show you the way. You have to do this, do that. You must listen, because that is, he can show you the way. But if you keep one step ahead, he is ready to keep 10 steps. So we have to understand this. And upline, never ever he will be wrong, because we are lucky. We got a very good founder, very honest founder we got. And otherwise, marketing, direct selling marketing means no one wants to come. Yes, no one wants to listen or no one wants to join in this. But that system he has broke that record, our founder, all because there are no words to express how to explain about him. He's very genius. I never ever used to miss one meeting also. Whenever his high flyers meet is there, because we are all, whatever we learned through him only. Yes, we should never ever forget this. So upline is always great, and our Manoj sir, great, super great. Yes, I can say this. Many times I say this, and see, whatever his high flyers meets, I wrote everything. See, one book I kept separately like this. I completed 2 books. This is also, you can see this book. Yes. So like this, I have to write. No one will tell us, you write this, you write that, you do this, you do that. This is our choice, our decision. We have to think in whichever way we have to take our life. Our life is in our hand. Our health is in our hand. So that's why while eating, while sleeping, everything you have to follow. Time management is very, very important. So with full dedication, with full determination, we have to do this business to achieve lots of success and more income. That is the income. Everyone wants income because additional income is very, very good. I remember one dialogue our founder always says, if you are doing one job or you are in any business, whatever the income you are getting, if you are happy with that, don't worry, don't come and join in this business. Don't try to struggle in this. Yes, many people will take so much attention. They will, he said the right thing. Yes, because see, if you are happy with what you are earning, then no need to take so much pain. Why do you want to take pain? Why do you want to spare time? So be happy with that. So that is also really very good. That hit in my mind, because we all want, we are here already, we are doing something, we are getting some amount, but that is not sufficient. We all need extra income, and we are wherever we go, we see the bill, we see the tag. Oh, this much, okay, just leave it, because we are compromising. We are compromising in everything. We are compromising our life itself. We are compromising many things. We are not living the fullest passionate life. So see, life comes only once. So that we have to think, we have to choose in whichever way you want. You can sleep in the platform also, you can sleep in the AC room also. That is up to you. You have to decide in whichever way you have to take. See, on the platform also many people are there, but we don't want to live in that way. We want to achieve something. We have to take up, because this business is, I'm telling you, this is a teamwork business. In this upline, founder, everyone, all are included, because whatever, that's why we always say, no negative talk, no negative rumors, nothing, because only positive, 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 positive vibes, positive thinking, positive thoughts, with positive attitude, we have to do this business. Then only even God also will bless us. No backbiting. And you want to say anything, say in front of the person. Otherwise, you just ignore. Nothing else. Because behind you should not talk. That is also very, very, that is called backbiting. That is gibber. That should not be there. So like that we started, and even products, regarding products, I will say one small story of my Chacha Sasur. He had low BP. Okay, then I asked, sir, during lockdown time only, I asked, sir, my Chacha Sasur is having I call him Chacha. Okay, Chachaji is having a low BP. What should I do? We have any supplements? He said, yes, you can give 95 juice. That is made with 13 berries, and it is very good. You can give like giving one. I mean, one sachet is equal to 3 bottles of glucose. So you can give that. You can try this. This is very good. It can increase the BP level, and reduce the BP level also. High BP, it can reduce. It is like, I call it is the magical thing. 95. So 95. Then I said, nothing else to give. He said, you give only this, he'll be okay. Then I asked Chacha Sasu. I asked Chachaji, You tried many things. Why don't you try this? Because every now and then you will fall. Then again, we have to take you to the hospital. Then have to give glucose. Then after coming home, we have to give so much food, dry fruits, fresh fruits, and along with that ORS, lemon juice with salt and sugar and glucose. Giving glucose inside, that is also there, and orally also we have to give you glucose like that. Then he asked me how much is the price. I said 3,000. That time it was 3,500. Now it is prices are increased, so this is also the increase. 3,700 MRP. Then I said, okay, we'll do one thing. I will give you on discount 2,950. You just give me. That is more than enough. But you take care of your health, because he is not having children, he is not having a wife, he is living with us only. Okay, I'm only taking care of him. So he said, okay, somehow convincing someone, that is also big art. That also somehow I convinced him. Then he said, okay, because he will not take out 10 rupees also from his pocket. He was like that. So I changed him totally. So I told him, what, Chachu, short life only. You take this and you use now. We'll see. Suppose if it is not working out, leave it. Then he used to 1 month over. 1 month over, we were just thinking 15 days over. After 15 days, what will happen? Whether he will fall somewhere or not. Then we were just having a look at him. I was monitoring him. Okay. Then 1 month over, he was fit and fine, fully energetic. That time he was 71 years old. Now he is 74. Yeah. So then he said he was feeling very nice, no giddiness, nothing. Then next packet, I asked him, shall I get another packet? But for that you have to give money. He said, yeah, I will give. Then I bought that packet. Then that packet, 15 sachets he used. Then after that, he gave me money again. I said, for what you are giving me money? Already 15 sachets are there, no, in that. Only 15 over for 15 days, you don't have to worry. You are having this product with you. He said, no. 15 days, okay. But it may get over now. So please get it in advance. So like that he became. So from the day one till today, I think no one might have been used like him, 95 juice. Many people will ask how many days to use, how many years to use, like that. I say lifetime ke liye le lo. That's it. Till lifetime you can use this Kavach Fresh and 95 juice. No problem, no side effects, nothing. In fact, from the day one till now, we did not take him to the medical. And but yearly once I send him to. Last year he went for a medical checkup, and doctor said, for what you have come? Do you have any problem? He said, no, I do not have any problem. I just came for a regular general checkup. Then he said, okay, go home and enjoy yourself. Nothing, no medicine. Doctor did not prescribe a single medicine. He's not taking any allopathy medicine till now. Whenever he will say muscle pain, I will give Champi oil. Then I gave him already this Kavach Fresh also, because he will not have any constipation. One day he had loose motion. He wanted to go to medical. I stopped him. No need to go. I have 95. Without adding water, you take once, you will become all right. So like that. So we have the best products, Ayurveda products, Ayush Premium products. When I joined in this business, I did not know only. Then I started working with 3 IDs. Then I became a triple ID TC. Then now I reached STC. So I mean, see all these things, dedication. Yes, your dedication is very, very important. That's what I'm saying. Give priority to this business. The first priority, not second. Whether you are doing a part-time job also, give priority. Spare some time, because the time management is in your hands only. We have to, because even I have, in the morning I have lots of work. My daughter is there, she has to go to school. I have to comb her hair because 7:30 she has to leave from home. I have to give her tiffin, that, this, everything. We are all having 24 hours only. But within that 24 hours, we have to manage. Okay, so time is over. 8 o'clock. Okay, shall I continue or shall I continue?
Time हो गया madam, please.
Time हो गया. Okay, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much for bearing with me, and thank you all of you. Love you all. टेक केयर, स्टे ब्लेस्ड. सभी लोग क्या है कि बढ़िया सा काम कीजिए, डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ एकदम फोकस करते हुए काम कीजिए. हम लोग कुछ भी जो चाहे दिमाग में सेट कीजिए, वो डेफिनेटली आप अचीव कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अचीव कर सकते हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ पेशेंस एंड हार्ड वर्क के साथ, और कुछ नहीं है. शॉर्टकट में नथिंग यू विल अचीव. सो थैंक यू so much. Thank you all of you once again. Thank you. Love you all.